Before I dive into this news article, I want to say that it is paramount that you get the vaccine, the COVID vaccine, as soon as possible, as it's beginning to look like there may likely be a COVID vaccine shortage in the not so distant future, as Moderna is scaling down their manufacturing of the COVID vaccine. Today, September 13th, Moderna on Wednesday announced it was scaling down its manufacturing of the COVID-19 vaccine, where the updated version of this vaccine was just approved on Monday by the FDA and Tuesday by ACIP and signed off by the CDC. The reduced manufacturing from Moderna is to align with lower post-pandemic demand and to help the company sooner hit its target of 75% to 80% gross margin growth, stating that this downsizing in manufacturing will help Moderna adjust to the endemic phase of the disease. It's not endemic, it's still a pandemic, which has led to falling demand for COVID vaccines as payers scale back orders for the shots, where their manufacturing targets are between 50 and 100 million doses. To put this in perspective, for the bivalent vaccine, about 153.8 million doses were administered. That's about 17% of the US population. This means that Moderna is only going to be manufacturing enough of the COVID vaccine for between about 6 and 17% of the US population. So why are they doing this? It's because they experienced substantial financial losses during the bivalent booster vaccine rollout. And now that it's commercial market, to recoup those losses, instead of pricing the vaccine at $30 like it should be, it's priced at $120. That's a quadruple, a 4 times price increase. And further, to help increase those cost margins, the profit margins, they're reducing the manufacturing overhead by limiting the number of doses that they're producing. So having a high cost and a low number of doses produced is going to maximize their profit margins. But that also means that it's very likely that if more people get the vaccine, as is to be expected since we've been pushing for a long time on this, that there will likely be a vaccine shortage. So knowing this, please get the vaccine as soon as possible if you are eligible.